Capturing an image, even a multi-label image, should be as easy as taking a digital picture today. Welcome to Caliber's Trio Imaging System, the easy, affordable imaging system for any kind of tissue work. Trio is the first system of its kind that goes from setup to capturing beautiful images in minutes, yet is powerful enough to handle the bulk of your multiplexed imaging needs. Trio takes both bright field and fluorescence images with easy-to-use software that keeps advanced quantitative imaging algorithms behind the scenes but available to you at the click of a mouse. Let me show you how easy Trio is to use right out of the box. Trio will lead you through the initial setup procedure, which, by the way, you only have to do once. Tell Trio which objectives you have installed on your microscope. Next, Trio will help you adjust the bright field illumination on your microscope using the well-known Kohler technique and some very friendly drawings and examples. Then you take your bright field reference images for each of your objectives. Let's use one of the included demonstration slides to separate hematoxylin and DAB in bright field. You can name your experiment and then select an objective. Tell Trio what stains are on the slide. Follow the directions in the Trio software to take a picture of your pure stains. Watch the Trio software find pixels that represent the hematoxylin and then the DAB. You can also decide how you want the Trio software to display the image and where you want your images to be saved on your computer. Give your experiment a name. Now let's run the experiment that we just created with a slide with both hematoxylin and DAB. Here is a live color image from Trio. Let's focus and find a good, interesting area to image. Notice that the Trio software has a neat display showing you how sharp your image is, kind of a focus thermometer. The higher the number, the more in focus your image is. When you're ready, just click on one button to take the picture. Watch Trio take your multispectral image here in real time. You can tell Trio that you want to save additional data such as OD-TIFF images and a full experimental record. You can also take a simple color picture to go along with the multispectral data. This has never been easier. You can toggle the overlay to see the stain on top of the color picture. Now that you have your data and images, you can choose how you want to display the pictures. Change your brightness and contrast, or even choose fluorescence mode to see a pseudo-color fluorescence rendition of your bright field image. This is very useful for maximizing contrast and a favorite of our customers. Now let's take some fluorescence pictures. Trio comes with a fluorescence filter cube for your microscope right in the box. Like before in the bright field experiment, select your tissue type or enter a new type. In this case, the blue fluorophore is DAPI, the green fluorophore is Alexa 488, and the red fluorophore is Alexa 594. The blue DAPI is a counter stain, green Alexa 488 is HER2, while the red Alexa is AKT. We'll take our control images just as we did for the bright field example. Now let's find a good spot and take our multispectral fluorescence images showing all three colors plus the autofluorescence. And here we are again in real time. Trio is taking a multispectral image and unmixing each of the three fluorophores from each other and from the autofluorescence. And like the bright field images we took previously, you can save these images in common file formats, adjust brightness and contrast, and even view the pictures in a pseudo bright field mode. Trio sets up in minutes, yet is powerful enough for the bulk of your multi-label imaging needs. It's easy, reliable, and affordable. So now that you have seen how Trio makes multi-label imaging in both bright field and fluorescence easy, contact your local representative today.